Good morning, everyone. Let's look at how to fetch records from our database using LifetechOCMS Framework. So firstly, let's go to our module ebook. So we are going to create a new content now, which will be view_book content. So this content, the description is this content is going to view all our registered books. So it's going to be view type, and the folder still remain, and we click on create new content. So we have created a new content called viewbook.html. So let's go and write code for it properly. So firstly, we are going to use import statement, live result import statement, to import our data. So import. So don't forget, the import statement is using two parameters, which are content name and module name. So I've imported my controller now. The next thing now is that I need to write live result statement. This is how you write live result statement. So if you want to print a live result, this is what you do to print. But if you want to write statement, this is how you write it here. So you can watch live result tutorial to learn more about live result. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to say variable. I want to connect this to my database model. Variable viewbook model equal to new. What's my table name? This is my table name. So I'm going to paste it. Don't forget, my table name must start with capital letter. So I've connected to my table name now. So I want to select all from this table model. So I can come down to MapLite. Since MapLite is the language, the ORM, then I can use the one of select. So let me paste it to see the one I'm going to pick. So I want to select all. So I'm going to use this syntax and not this parameter based on parameters. So I'm going to use this to select all. So but this time around, what is my model name? This is my model name, not user anymore. So I'm going to paste this here. So let me clear this off. So I'm going to say, don't forget to terminate it. So I'm going to say that of view variable get data get book equal to my model get all. So this time around, I have gotten all my records from this database and I've saved it to this variable. So before I continue, let me just print it out and see whether it's working. Let me just print it out. What am I printing? I'm printing out this data here. So let me save and run it. So you can see, perfect. This has loaded as an array format from the database table here. These are my record. I can see it has been connected and it's loading it here. So the next one is that I'm going to write for each statement with live result to display all the record one after the other. So let me take this off. Let me comment it off. I don't need it again for now. So let me go to my syntax library, live result. So let me use for each statement. I can use while statement, but let me pick for each statement. So this is for each statement in live result, how to use it to load record in an array. So this time around, for each array as an object, I'm going to use this. This is my array get book. For each get book as, let me say, variable books. So now my email, no, not email, ISBN should be variable books. What is my what is my ISBN feed name is ISBN from the database. If you look at it here, it's ISBN. Fine. So I'm gonna save it. And I'm come back to run it here. No, thing crashed. Let me see, there's an issue. Okay, see this now. Please remove this dot. This is an omission, so remove this dot. Don't forget, is these two statement words that form the LifeTech live result language, so there should be no full stop there. So let me refresh it. Fine, you can see all my ISBN number has been fetched from my database here. We got 3 records here before. So this now I've done it using for each to load all my data. I can then proceed to copy a table format. You can go to your Bootstrap. You can go to Bootstrap to look for table format here and copy it and start tweaking it. So I already got this prepared for us. So let me just copy this to my code editor. Let me paste it. So let me run this again now. Oh, it's not connecting. ISBN auto name. Let me look at this name. Okay, this model name is get all books. No, what is my model name? My model name is get book. So let me check it. So for each model name as this, so this should work now. Let me update my content. Let me come back to refresh. So now you can see I'm able to fetch information after I've connected to my controller here, creating an object of this my table name, and I use MapLite to fetch all.